Good morning, everyone. We all are Indians, so we all should know about our constitution also. Today, we'll learn about our constitution and fundamental rights. India's constitution is world's lengthiest written constitution. It has 395 articles at the time of its commencement. Now it has 448 articles. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete it, and we all should know that it was handwritten by Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada. We all know that Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the head of this Constituent Assembly, but Prem Bihari Narayan Zada has handwritten our constitution in his own calligraphy. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of this Constituent Assembly. Our constitution got completed on 26 November 1949, but due to some historical reasons, it was not implemented at that time. 26 January is a historical day in Indian history. That is why our Indian constitution is implemented on 26 January 1950. And we all celebrate 26 January as Republic Day. In our constitution, there are fundamental rights, directive principles and duties for the citizen. Today, we will learn about fundamental rights. We all are having 7 fundamental rights. First is right to equality. Right to equality means we all are equal before law. We all have equal opportunities. If we want any job, there should be no discrimination on any basis, on color, caste, creed, any basis. There should be no discrimination. We all should have equality. And the second is right to freedom. Right to freedom means we are free to express, to deliver speech, to protest peacefully, for making union. It's our freedom. ये हमें freedom मिली है कि हम कोई भी काम जो है वो कर सकते हैं. हम अपने विचार विमर्श कर सकते हैं अगर हमने करने हैं. अगर हमें लगता है कि कोई भी law जो है, कोई भी rule जो है वो सही नहीं है, so we can make a peaceful protest also. We can make union also. Okay, so the third is right to freedom. Freedom of religion. Freedom of religion means we all are free to opt any religion. We are free to, it's our choice that we can opt any religion or we can leave it any religion. India is a secular state. There is no religion of our country. It has diversity. There are many religions found in India like Zoroastrianism, Hinduism, Jainism, Christianism, Sikhism. Fourth right is right against exploitation. It prohibits exploitation at any basis. If someone is not getting equal wages, he or she can raise voice against it because it is exploitation. If human being is sell or purchase like commodity, it's also an exploitation. If someone take forcefully work from any human being but not give equal wages as compared to the work, that is also exploitation. We all have right to raise voice against exploitation, and he and she can raise voice. He or she have to raise voice against exploitation. The next right is cultural and educational right. All the minority groups have right to preserve their language, script or culture. The minority groups also have the right to open their educational institute. No one can interrupt in that. No one can stand any obstacle in between that because it's an educational right. The next right is right to constitutional remedies. If the above mentioned fundamental rights are denied by any person, any institution, we can raise voice against that. We have to go to court of law to get justice because these are our fundamental rights and we shall have it. We all have the right to follow these fundamental rights and no one can become any obstacle, no one can stand any obstacle between our fundamental rights. And the next one is the right to property. Article 19, in Article 19, right to property is include. It is a legal right. Everyone has right to hold, acquire or dispose property. It's a personal right. We cannot say anything regarding this. And this right is a constitutional right. No, now it is not a fundamental rights, but we include it in fundamental right because with fundamental it is a legal right also. And these are our seven fundamental rights. I think you all understood very well. And these fundamental rights aware and make conscious about our freedom, our equality, and we all should follow our fundamental rights as well as our duties. Thank you.